Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on the hotspot on your iOS device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app and make sure your mobile data is on. Tap on Personal Hotspot. Then turn on the toggle to allow others to join. You can set and change your hotspot password by tapping on the password. Other people will now be able to connect to your hotspot by going into their Wi-Fi and connecting with the password. To turn off your hotspot, just turn the toggle off again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.